one and all. I am Venkatesham. I am going to discuss about pH of mixture of acids and bases in this video. To find the pH of mixture of acid and base, and we need to follow the some rules here. And here in that rules to find out the pH of mixture of acid and base. In that first one is if there is a strong acid is left over in the titration. Whenever the acid is titrating with the base, then if there is a strong acid is left over or unused, then we can find out the its pH by using that it's a H plus ion concentration is equals to simply a normality, and here H plus ion concentration is equals to it's a normality, and simply by using that we can find it's a pH is equals to here minus log of here H plus ion concentration. This is a simple one. And if there is a strong base is left over in the reaction, if there is a strong base is left over in the titration, if strong base is left over in the titration now, so this strong acid and strong base are complete ionization takes place, and so that here OH minus ion concentration is equals to here simply a normality. From that I can find it's a pH is equals to this is a 14 minus this is a log of here OH minus ion concentration is a simple formula to find out it's the pH of the mixture of that particular acid and base. Whenever the acid is titrating with the base, and if strong acid is left over and use H plus ion concentration equals to normality, pH equals to minus log of H plus ion. If strong base is left over, here OH minus ion concentration equals to normality, pH equals to 14 minus log of OH minus ion concentration. And the next one is if there is a weak acid is left over in the solution. If weak acid is left over in the titration, means that weak acid and it's a salt with a strong base is there, so that it forms there is a acidic buffer. Acidic buffer is going to be formed, so that acidic buffer pH can be calculated by using the Anderson equation, that is a pH is equals to pKa plus this is a log salt concentration divided by it is an acid concentration. Okay, so in the same way, if I will take there is an fourth one, weak base is left over in the solution. Whenever this weak base is left over in the titration, and it forms that there is a basic buffer is going to be formed. So this basic buffer pH can be calculated by using the Anderson equation. Here pH is equals to this is a 14 minus this is a pKb, so this is a minus log of log salt concentration divided by here it is a base concentration. So this is a formula that can be used to find out whenever there is a weak base is left over in the titration. And other one is fifth one, if there is both the acid and base are completely consumed. If acid and base are completely consumed, if acid and base is completely neutralized or completely consumed, then it forms a salt. This salt we need to find whether it is which type of salt. Based on that salt, then we'll take its hydrolysis. Generally, salt of strong acid versus strong base will not undergo any hydrolysis, and remaining three cases, salt of strong acid and weak base, and salt of weak acid and strong base, and salt of weak acid and a weak base will undergo the hydrolysis. By using that salt hydrolysis formulas, so you can find its pH of the given salt or given mixture of that acid and base.